Substitutional form of differential equation.
Before we proceed, please subscribe to my channel Omkar Engineering Classes. Press bell icon, like it and share it. Substitutional variable separable form. Dy by dx is equals to 4x plus y plus 1 bracket complete square. According to substitution variable separable form, put 4x plus y plus 1 equal to t. Then differentiate 4x. Derivative of x is 1 plus dy by dx. Constant derivative of constant term is 0 equal to dt by dx. dy by dx is equals to dt by dx minus 4. Substitute value of dy by dx as dt by dx minus 4 in above equation. Dt by dx minus 4 is equals to, instead of 4x plus y minus 1, use t square. Transfer 4 on the right side. Dt by dx is equals to t square plus 4. Then variables are separated. Dt divided by t square plus 4 is equals to dx, known as variable separable form. Therefore, integrating on both sides, integration dt divided by t square plus 4 equal to integration dx. We know that integration dx divided by x square plus a square equal to tan inverse 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a 1 upon 2. A square is 4. Therefore, a is equals to 2. 1 upon 2 tan inverse t divided by 2 plus equal to x plus c. Transfer 2 on the right side, tan inverse, and substitute value of t. The value of t is 4x plus y plus 1 whole divided by 2 is equals to 2x plus c is the final result. Next example, dy by dx is equals to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. In this example, put v is equals to x plus y. Then differentiate with respect to x. dv by dx is equals to derivative of x 1 plus dy by dx. Transfer this 1 on the left side. Then we get dy by dx is equals to dv by dx minus 1. Instead of x plus y, put v, and instead of dy by dx, substitute dv by dx minus 1 in above equation. Then we get dv by dx minus 1 is equals to sin v plus cos v. Transfer -1 on the right side. dv by dx is equals to sin v plus cos v plus 1. Then, using variable separable form, dv divided by sin v plus cos v plus 1 is equals to dx. Variables are separated. Here variable is v and x. So v on left side and x on right side, known as variable separable form. Then integrating on both side. Integration dv divided by sin v plus cos v plus 1 is equals to integration dx. According to the integration method and integration trigonometry, sin v is equals to sin theta is equals to 2 tan theta upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta upon 2, and cos theta is equals to 1 minus tan square theta upon 2 divided by 1 plus tan square theta upon 2. Using these two formulas, put t is equals to tan v upon 2 dv is equals to 2 dt divided by 1 plus t square. Sin v is equals to 2t divided by 1 plus t square. Cos v is equals to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square. Substitute all these values in above integration or in equation 1. Integration, instead of dv, put 2 dt, 2 constant common outside, dt divided by 1 plus t square whole divided by sin v is 2t divided by 1 plus t square plus cos v is equals to 1 minus t square divided by 1 plus t square plus 1 is equals to x plus c. Taking LCM, 2 integration dt divided by 1 plus t square in the denominator, taking LCM in the denominator. So 2t plus 1 minus t square plus 1 plus t square bracket complete whole divided by 1 plus t square equal to x plus c. 1 plus t square get cancelled. T square minus t square get cancelled. 2 integration dt divided by 2t plus 1 plus 1 2 is equals to x plus c. Taking 2 common outside, 2 divided by 2 integration dt divided by t plus 1 equal to x plus c. 2 get cancelled. Then integration of dt divided by t plus 1 is log t plus 1 equal to x plus c. Substitute value of t. Log into bracket tan v upon 2 plus 1 is equals to x plus c. Substitute value of v. Log into square bracket tan into bracket v is equals to x plus y. divided by 2 bracket complete plus 1 bracket complete equal to x plus c is the final result. Next example, dy by dx is equals to y divided by x plus tan y upon x. In this example, put t is equals to y divided by x. Then transfer x on the left side. Tx is equals to y. Differentiate with respect to x. dy by dx is equals to, using product rule, t remain as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of t dt by dx into x. Substitute value of dy by dx and y upon x in the above example. We get t plus x dt by dx is equals to y upon x remains t plus tan t. T on both sides get cancelled. X dt by dx is equals to tan t. Then transfer tan t on the left side and x upon dx on the right side. Dt divided by tan t is equals to dx divided by x is variable separable form. Integrating on both sides. 1 upon tan theta is equals to cot theta. Therefore, integration cot t dt is equals to integration dx upon x. Integration cot x dx is equals to log sin x. Then integration cot t dt is equals to log sin t is equals to log x plus log c. Instead of c, use log c, which is also integrating constant. Then substitute value of t. Log sin. The value of t is y upon x. Y upon x is equals to log x into c, using logarithmic product rule. X into c. Log get cancelled. Then the final result is sin y upon x is equals to x into c. Next example, x dy by dx minus y bracket complete into e raised to y upon x equal to x square cos x. In this example, again put y upon x is equals to t. Then differentiate with respect to x. Using quotient rule, for derivative of first terms, denominator remain as it is, x dy by dx minus numerator as it is, derivative of denominator. So derivative of x is 1 whole divided by x square equal to dt by dx. Then therefore simplify the given example. X dy by dx minus y, transfer x square on the left side. X square is equals to into e raised to y upon x is equals to cos x. Then instead of x dy by dx minus y whole divided by x square, put dt by dx, and y upon x is t, dt by dx into e raised to t is equals to cos x. Solve according to variable separable form. E raised to t dt is equals to cos x into dx is variable separable form. Then integrating on both sides. Integration e raised to t dt is equals to integration cos x dx. Integration of e raised to t is e raised to t, and integration of cos x is sin x plus c. Substitute value of t. Value of t. E raised to y upon x equal to sin x plus c is the final result.
If you have any query or you want to solve the sum based on the topic included in my videos, you can send it on my email ID. Have a good day.